In this video, we will cover how to create an application configuration that is using NORAC boom height control on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Application. Under the Configuration tab, press Add. Select between Single Product Application or Dual Product Application. Press the Add button. Select the correct vehicle type from the drop-down list. Enter the vehicle's make and model. Enter the vehicle's full swath width. Enter the correct number of boom sections. Verify that the swath width for each boom section is correct and press Next. Press the box next to NORAC UC5. Press Next. Press the green check mark. Select the correct operating mode, whether that be rate logging / control or area logging only. Select the correct controller. Press the Add button under Select Container. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the container's full capacity. Under Units, press the drop-down arrow and select the correct units for this container. Press Next. Press the keypad button under Container Name and enter a name for this container. Under Container Location, press the drop-down arrow and select between Implement or Vehicle. Press the green check mark. Select the correct ground speed sources. Your primary ground speed source should be set to GPS, and your backup ground speed source should be set to radar. Verify that this is the correct name for this configuration and press the green check mark. As you can see in our configurations list, our new application configuration that is using NORAC boom height control is now listed. We have now covered how to create an application configuration that is using NORAC boom height control on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.